Today we're going to be doing the key battery on a Mitsubishi Outlander key. So first thing first, this little slot here will pull the emergency key out. So flick that key pops straight out. Next you're going to need a little screwdriver, and there's two little flaps in there, if you can see. One on each side. You're just going to push and twist, like you're turning a key. So push, twist. And by doing that, it'll open the key up. Hopefully a bit easier than mine is. Inside you'll find the battery located here. Whoop. And it is a number 2032. So 2032, now it's obviously face down because this needs to connect to the inside here. Now it should be just simply click back in, I think. I've never done this before either, so let's see. Simple click. Make sure it's all clicked around the whole area. Emergency key back in. And then double check that it works. And that is how you change the battery on the Mitsubishi Outlander. Remember, battery is a 2032.